Shreyas, hello,
Hey, hello, good evening, ma'am.
good evening. Audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So actually, today I have decided to do half of the time for the exercise what which was going on. What was going on, and after that you have to solve some of the questions from all the six exercises that you have picked. Okay, so that is scheduled at 7:35. Okay. So
Okay,
without
ma'am.
wasting time, let's just start that lesson that we were discussing last time. Chapter 8 was going on, no? The quadrilaterals.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait, let me find it out. Some of the theorems and some example questions were done.
Yes, ma'am.
Four examples I think I had done. Yes, four examples were done. And the last question that I had discussed, if two parallel lines are there and that is there is a transversal, then the angle bisectors of all the interior angles, if they all are joined, then they will form a rectangle. It was very important question. So we have to use this theorem in this question that in one-sided interior angles make a sum of 180 degree. Then their halves will be equal to 90 degree. Then the remaining angle of the triangle on one side will be equal to 90 degree, because sum of all three angles of a triangle is 90 degree. Same thing is done on other side also. Similarly, we will do, and after that we will prove that there is a formation of rectangle. Okay. Next question is the show that the bisectors of an angle of a parallelogram form a rectangle. Bisectors of angles of a parallelogram. Okay. Bisectors of angles of parallelogram. Where are you? I'm sharing the whiteboard. Can you show this? Can you show this?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Example 5 I'm discussing. Okay. In this question, we have to prove that angle bisectors of a parallelogram. Suppose there is a parallelogram, that is A, B, C and D. What are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay, all the angle bisectors. Okay, so first we will draw all the angle bisectors. Don't mute the call this time when something is being discussed. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
don't mute this time. Okay, so first we have
Oh,
to draw the angle bisectors. Okay, so this is the angle bisector of A, this is the angle bisector of B, this is the angle bisector of C, and this is the angle bisector of D. Okay, I could not draw the figure properly, but this is smaller one. Okay, this smaller one, we have to prove that this is a rectangle. Okay, this is a
okay.
rectangle. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so this is, I put this name. Suppose this is P, Q, R, and S. We have to prove. To prove, what we have to prove? PQRS. PQRS is a rectangle. Rectangle प्रूव करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? First of all, we can do from two sides.
Parallelogram.
We can prove that it is a parallelogram, obviously, and second thing,
So
all at
this
least
one
one of the
angle.
angle, if it, yeah, if it is proved that it is a parallelogram, if then we have to prove that at least one of the angles, एक भी हमने दिखा दिया है, इसका मतलब कि चारों अपने आप ही हो जाएगा, because from the property of parallelogram, if one angle is 90 degree sorry, तो उसका अपोजिट भी 90 डिग्री होगा, उसका जो एडजेसेंट होगा वो भी 90 डिग्री होगा, बिकॉज 180 माइनस 90 शुड बी इक्वल टू 90, है ना, और उसका अपोजिट फिर 90 हो जाएगा, तो इट्स सारे के सारे 90 हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू डू लाइक दिस. To prove PQRS rectangle, first of all, this is what एंगल ए एंड बी. मैं इसको क्लीन कर देती हूँ. एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी. सिंपली मैं लिख रही हूँ a plus b is equal to 180 degree by the property of parallel lines. Okay, because AD is parallel to BC and AB is transversal. A plus B is 180 degree. Then half of A and half of B will be equal to 90 degrees. Which one? This one and this one became equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then this is forming a triangle. Which one? ABP is forming a triangle. So by the property of triangle, angle P, angle APB, angle APB is equal to 90 degree. And since APB is 90 degree, that's why QPS is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. This became 90 degree. So similarly, we have not to do too much. Again, you turn mute. Not only I have to discuss. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If this is
Yes.
90 degree, then this one also will be 90 degree. Okay. So this same thing is followed from all the sides. The same thing is followed from all the sides. We have not to do all the time. Similarly, we will write similarly angle this one, this one, this one. All will be equal to 90 degree. It means PQRS is a rectangle. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see the next question. Example 5. Okay. Example 5. After that, we have to prove some theorems again. Another condition for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Theorem 8.8. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides and equal. Pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. ठीक है. So next page. We have to prove that quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if one pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal. ये दोनों parallel भी है और equal भी है. So for this, to prove this, to prove parallelogram, देखिए in this case this became like a नहीं, एक तरह का ये ट्रेपेजियम भी हो सकता है अगर ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं होता तो. But we have to prove that this should be a parallelogram. Then what we will do? First of all, we will join any one of the diagonal. Okay, one of the diagonal. Now this side and this side both are equal. These two sides are equal. This is the common side, and since this one and this one line are parallel, then this angle and this angle will be alternate interior angles. So by this relation, these two angles will be equal. And by this relation, what are we observing? Side, angle, side. Isn't it? Side, angle, side. Two sides and angle included between them. By SAS, I'm putting somewhere. Triangle ABC is congruent with triangle CDB. CDB. Okay. ABC is congruent with CDB. It means this part and this part equal, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, and these are what alternate interior angles. It means if alternate interior angles are equal, it means opposite sides are parallel. Okay, it means this became parallel to this one. Parallel also, equal also. So from both the sides it became parallel and equal. That's why ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD parallelogram. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Example 6. ABCD is a parallelogram in which PQ in which P and Q are midpoints of AB side and B. AQ intersects DP at is and BQ intersects so that ABCD. Look at the question itself. Wait a minute. Look at example 6. ABCD is a parallelogram. है ना? और
Yes, ma'am.
P and Q are the midpoints. P and Q are the midpoints. और इसका जो फॉर्मेशन जैसे A से Q भी कनेक्ट है, B से भी Q कनेक्ट है, ज्वाइंट है. DP and PC all are joined. So in this case, so many parallelograms are formed. So many quadrilaterals are formed. Actually, so many quadrilaterals are formed, and we have to prove that all those quadrilaterals are parallelograms. Okay. Simply APCQ parallelogram. APCQ. APCQ. If we remove all other parts, then we see that AB is parallel to CD. It means AP is parallel to CQ. Second thing, AB is equal to CD. It means half of AB is equal to half of DC. So what? AP is equal to CQ. So one pair, what we got? Parallel and equal. Okay, it means it became a parallelogram. अभी जस्ट हमने ऊपर वाले थ्योरम में प्रूव किया कि if one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal किसी quadrilateral का then it becomes a parallelogram, है ना? So that same theorem is applied here. And this same process is done for DPBQ. DPBQ है ना? DPBQ के लिए भी अप्लाई होता है. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है इसका PSQR. बीच में एक बर्फी के शेप में एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बन रहा है PQRS या PSQR पैरेललोग्राम. ये प्रूव करना है. तो ऑब्वियसली जो हमने ऊपर में अभी दोनों प्रूव किया APCQ एंड DPBQ. By this relation we got that APCQ and DPBQ, these both are what? Parallelograms. It means their opposite sides are parallel and equal also. Simply parallel first. So in case of PQRS, what we observe that these are the opposite sides of all those quadrilaterals that we have proved earlier. Okay. So simply from both the sides they are parallel. That's why PSQR is a parallelogram. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you look at exercise 8.1 and look at them carefully. If there is any question, then I will discuss. 8.1.
Ma'am, may I go to the washroom?
Go.
Ma'am, please continue.
I said you to look at the questions. If there is any question, then you have to we have to discuss. Any question from 8.1?
We are not going to discuss all the questions.
No, no, no. If this is exercise, no. Have you done this exercise? 8.1?
Ma'am, okay, 1 minute. Ma'am, I've done this exercise. Cool.
You have whole exercise you have done.
Ma'am, in school we have done.
Sorry, please repeat what you are saying.
Ma'am, in school we have done this exercise.
Okay, 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 okay. I know
Yes.
you would have done, but I'm asking that is there any question that you want to know again or anything else?
11, 12.
Okay, okay. In triangle ABC, DEF, AB is equal to DE, okay, and AB is parallel to DE, BC is equal to EF, okay, and BC is parallel to EF, okay. Vertices ABC are joined to, okay, quadrilateral AB, ED is a parallelogram. AB and DE both are parallel and equal. Look at the figure properly. AB and DE. AB and DE both are parallel and equal. Similarly, BC and EF. BC and EF both are parallel and equal. Okay, obviously, uh, in the previous theorem that we have discussed, what did we prove? That if a quadrilateral is having one pair of opposite sides parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. This thing we have already proved. So we have to use the theorems only. है ना? We have to use the theorems. We have not to prove the theorems and statements again and again. Simply it is proved. That's why these theorems are formed. Okay. So by this theorem, we have to mention the theorem. By the theorem that if a quadrilateral is having one pair of opposite sides parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. So simply AB is equal to DE and AB is parallel to DE. Okay, that's why ABED is a parallelogram. So first part is proved. Second is quadrilateral BEFC. BEFC. Where is BEFC? BEFC. Okay. Same thing is there BEFC with BEFC also. Okay. BEFC. अच्छा अच्छा ये part BCEF. BCEF. In quadrilateral BCEF, BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. That's why BCFE. BC yeah BEFC is a parallelogram. Second part also is done. Okay. Next thing is AD is parallel to CF and AD is equal to CF. We have to prove. So since AD and CF, AD and CF, since ABED is a parallelogram, since ABED is a parallelogram, तो जो opposite sides है वो भी equal होगा. कौन सा? AD is parallel to BE and AD will be equal to BE. Okay. Next thing is, since BCEF is a parallelogram, that's why BE is parallel to CF and BE is equal to CF. So by using these both relations, we have got that AD is equal to CF and AD is parallel to CF. Have you got what I said? Or should I write?
Ma'am, if you write, it will be better.
Okay, actually, mm, the figure is like this. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. I think I'm not mistaken. In first part, don't mute your call. In first part, what is given? That AB and DE. AB is parallel and equal to DE. मैं थोड़ा direct लिख रही हूँ. AB is parallel and equal with DE. That's why ABED is a parallelogram. Okay, ABED is parallelogram. Similarly, BC is parallel. BC is parallel to EF. BC is parallel to EF and equal also. Okay, that's why BCEF is a parallelogram. Which theorem is used? If in a quadrilateral, one pair of
Yes, ma'am.
opposite sides are parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. We have to write this statement. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This part is done. These are the two parts. This is the first part. This is the second part. Next thing, it is asking about this relation, this side and this side. Which one? AD and CF. तो AD and CF को हम लोग रिलेट करेंगे. कैसे? देखिए, ABED पैरेललोग्राम है. ABED पैरेललोग्राम है. कहाँ गया? तो उसका जो ऑपोजिट पार्ट है वो भी इक्वल होना चाहिए, AD एंड BE। मैं यहाँ लिखती हूँ AD पैरेलल एंड इक्वल टू BE। हो गया। नाउ BCEF। BCEF में ये पार्ट तो ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ था। So what is the next other part? BE and CF. BE and CF. CF is parallel to and equal to BE, है ना? दोनों स्टेटमेंट से हमें ये और ये मिला. What we observe here, BE is common in both. It means these both are parallel and equal. है ना? ऐसे लिखना नहीं है, मैं लिख रही हूँ. AD is parallel and equal to CF. Got it? ये हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see the next part. AC quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. ACFD is a parallelogram. हाँ, तो obvious है कि जब ये हमने प्रूव कर दिया तो ACDF parallelogram बन गया. ACDF parallelogram. Okay. Next part. What is there? Which
AC.
question? AC is equal to DF. Obvious है, जब ये पैरेललोग्राम बन चुका तो AC पैरेलल टू DF होगा. ठीक है,
Yes.
AC इक्वल टू DF होगा. अब है ABC और DEF को कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिखाना है ना? ABC और DEF को कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिखाना है. Then from the question it is already given that AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF, corresponding part, and right now we have proved that AC is equal to DF, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you
Yes,
need
ma'am.
it should be written or you got it?
No, no, ma'am, no, got.
Okay, then all three sides are correspondingly equal. So simply by SSS, side, these both triangles are congruent, है ना?
Yes,
आपका
ma'am.
टाइम ये हो गया है और ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 भी है ना आपका पूछना. मैं इसको अभी सॉल्यूशन करके आपको देती हूँ. आप टेस्ट स्टार्ट करो, क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करो उसका.
Question 9 and 10.
9, 10 also.
Ma'am, 12 I know. 9 and 10, please. You have please explain.
तो आप क्वेश्चंस कब करोगे?
No, ma'am. Give, ma'am. After the class, if you can send.
Okay. No. Not after the class. You do the questions what I have given to you. If you need the solutions, then I will give you right now.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do the questions.
Okay. 9, 10, no?
No, ma'am.
I will
Yeah,
give
the
na.
question.
I will do 9, 10.
Ma'am, you said no that you have some questions prepared.
Huh?
Ma'am, you said you have some questions prepared, like which we will give up like after 9:35, like.
Perhaps you didn't understand. Actually, I have already sent you. It has started at 7:35. Check it there.
Okay, ma'am. I'll start that.
Yeah. आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो?
मैम सागर पब्लिक स्कूल।
अच्छा, ये आपका मतलब अच्छा, ये आपका अपना स्कूल है क्या?
नो मैम।
अच्छा अच्छा। CDK. AP is equal to QC. ABQ. APD. Q. Expression. Are you doing the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
I have done question number 9.
Okay.
I'm sending you. uh, AP is perpendicular. APBCQD. इसमें AB is equal to 30. Opposite. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, stop for a minute and look at the solutions that I have sent. I need to discuss something.
1 minute, I'm almost done.
Okay.
I'm submitting now.
All are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, submitted.
How many questions are correct?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay, the wrong question I will discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
But before that, you have to look at
Yes.
the solution that I have sent. Check there.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Can you see this? In my screen also.
No, ma'am.
Okay, check it from your device.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I've opened.
So what I need to discuss, first of all, I want to let you know that how these questions are written, and solution is not a big deal. Okay, solution most of the students do, but how you should write to get the 100% marks, whatever is prescribed for that question particularly. Suppose it is having 4 marks, 5 marks, then you have to get all of them. Okay, no deduction. So first of all, you have to mention the question in a short way. So for that, you have to mention what is given. You have seen in both the questions I have mentioned what is given. Simply
Mhm.
ABCD parallelogram, DP is equal to BQ. These two things are mainly given in the question. Okay, so I have mentioned. So next, what we are given to prove, whatever 3, 4, 5 things are there that I have written. After that, if any construction is needed in these questions, no construction were required. That's why I didn't write that part. But if any construction is needed, then you have to mention after this. To prove के बाद आपको ये mention करना है कि what is the construction you are going to do or you have done. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you have to go to the solution. So four parts are there. What is given to prove, what is the construction, and what is the solution. Okay, in short, you have to write all these things, and in solution, everything should be mentioned clearly. Okay, if two triangles are given to prove congruent, then बहुत सारे students क्या करते हैं, simply they wrote ये this one is equal to this one is equal to, उसकी क्या property है, what is the property they are containing that they became equal or whatever, है ना? So all these things you have to mention in brackets. Suppose AD is equal to CB, then how? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Like this you have to write. DP is equal to BQ. Why? It is already given. ADP is equal to CBQ. Why? These are alternate interior angles. In short, we have to mention all these things. Now it is simply clear that by SAS, these two triangles are congruent. So first part is proved. If two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding parts will be equal. Sec थर्ड और फोर्थ में भी यही है, और आगे आप थोड़ा सा देख लो, 5 पार्ट भी उसका वही है. ठीक है. अब जो दो
Yes.
ट्रायंगल्स, द टू ट्रायंगल्स दैट वी प्रूव्ड कॉन्ग्रुएंट फ्रॉम, उसका जो रेस्ट पार्ट है वो भी इक्वल होगा, और उसके रेस्ट पार्ट से ये फिफ्थ पार्ट था. ये भी CQ became a parallelogram. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, 10 में भी देखिए मैंने वैसे ही मेंशन किया है, यहाँ पे भी कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं था, तो सिंपली आई रोट व्हाट वाज गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन टू प्रूव, एंड देन डायरेक्टली सॉल्यूशन. If construction were there, then I should have mentioned the construction. Okay, so in exam you have to write like this. ये एक सैंपल की तरह आप इसको मेंशन कीजिए, सॉरी इसको माइंड में रखिए, और इसको आपको करना है. ठीक है. And look at the
Okay.
solutions. If there is any problem, then I will discuss. Otherwise, easy questions are there.
Yes, ma'am.
9, 10.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, I understood.
Okay. And from all those questions that you have done, which question incorrect?
Ma'am, in one which the
Wait,
mean
wait,
was
wait.
given.
You have already submitted. No. Let me check.
Yes.
I think I will be left. Right. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The question is x, x plus 3, oh sorry, x plus 5, x plus 7 and x plus 10. No, that is equal to 9. So
Yes,
simply
ma'am.
I am doing directly uh, divided by 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided. This is equal to 9. So how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 8, 7, 15, 15 and 10, 25. 45. So 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 4. Then the last three observations are what? X plus 5, 7 and 10. So 9,
Mhm.
9, 11 and 14. 9, 11 and 14. Isn't it? 9, 11 and 14. So इसका mean क्या हो जाएगा? ये 20. How much this? This is 20 and 34. 34 divided by 3. 34 divided by 3. So this is equal to 1.33. Am I correct? 11.33. Didn't you get this answer?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, like till there it was correct. Can you tell again, like after the 5x plus 25 there?
Okay. Okay. Okay, you got the solution then?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the solution? This is equal to 11.33.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I didn't get this answer, ma'am.
Okay. That's why it became wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you got the solution?
Ma'am, after that 5x plus 25 there, I didn't understand
Okay.
after that.
Okay. 5x plus 25 is equal to 45. Then 25 will go to other side and it will be subtracted. 45 minus 25. So it will be equal to 20. Got it?
Ma'am, how 45 like?
9 multiplied by 45. 9 multiplied by 5.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh,
Okay.
okay, ma'am, okay.
Actually, I didn't write properly. No. This is division form. Divided by 5 and there is it
Ma'am,
is equal to 9. So both are multiplied now.
yes, ma'am, understood. Understood.
What is mean? Mean is equal to sum of all the terms divided by number of terms.
Totally, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you got?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, then I exit the class and again tomorrow I will give you some questions. You will do it anytime, okay?
Okay.
Bye then.
Ma'am.